Beep beep, what is up ninjas? My name is Emerald and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make your lead sound more interesting. Now that is a damn clickbait title because in all honesty I'm going to help you make your lead sound like fat pieces of lardy. Now one of the songs you can hear this technique that I'm about to teach you is going to be in the new Low Action Respawn song which they made, which sounds like this. And maybe I was being a little bit too mean. The lead sounds lazy, that's all I'm gonna say. Kind of, you know, theoretically, if we talk about it in theory instead of using analogies, it just has like this weird vibe, like the lead is always looking to change pitch and it gives it a very goofy vibe. So if you're looking for those type of leads, this is the damn tutorial for you. Now if you guys are in the market for a big room style sound bank for modern style of big room, guys, make sure to go over to evilsounds.com and check out the brand new Festival Revolution Volume 2 pack. A lot of you guys have supported it already. You're gonna save $10 if you buy it before this Friday, so you can use those 10 to buy a pack of gum, a beer, or you can even just say fuck it, I'm gonna get extra serum on through Splice. Whatever it may be, guys, make sure to check it out. If you want to support the channel, that's one of the best ways to do it, as that's gonna be my main source of income for this channel, so I can keep going and going and going and teach.
Alright guys, so here we are inside of the Goddess Ableton. It's a little moist, but we are inside Silent One as well, and we have a lead here that we're gonna pick called Lead Visa, and it's one of the best leads from the pack. Now, the technique we're going to do to this is very simple. You know, Lead Visa is well put together. This lead has his shit together. Homie's going to Harvard, all right? Chemical engineering, going to cure cancer and whatnot. But we're going to ruin all that, make him lazy, make him sound a little bit like that track we just heard. Which is, again, if you want the vibe, it's a good thing to have. And I'm also going to show you how to make it more interesting for more FX type of sounds, which are usually sounds that don't make the cut as fucking lead, so we put them in the effects section and say, all right, bro, it's the effects, and then no one can say, you know, stuff. But pretty much here, what you're gonna need is a pitch A and B modulation. You're gonna put all these sustains down. You're gonna need a tuner from Ableton, so when you hold it down, hold that lead down, it tells you the note of it, so we know we're in F. I'm playing F2. So from here, I'm gonna move the black knob to the right as much as I want. Honestly, you don't want to go too far though. And then we're gonna move the sustain up until we hit F again. Look at that. Going slowly up. Homie knows how to make trap drops now. There we go. Pitch down, trap drop. Alright, there we go. Oh, we gotta get it in that hole. There we go. Alright, so we're in the hole, the glory hole. So pretty much here, oh shit. So pretty much here, now the next thing to do is just give this a bit of release. Now with no, and I put this, you can see when I let go of the note, it kind of goes back down an octave where it was coming from. So with the release high, you're going to decide how long it takes for that to happen. And you get that pitch down. Go lower, increase your release. Let's increase your release here a bit. And you can see what's happening now. Alright, so you got to be careful, and you got to be a little bit careful with it, you know, the way you program. And there you go. That's a little bit better there to have it. So now we're going to try it on another lead. And each lead's going to sound a bit different. It just depends on the type of distortion. If we're doing hard distortion, going ham, or if we're just doing slight distortion. So we can try it on this lead as well, which has no modulation right now. And again, same concept. This one's a bit detuned, so it's hard to get the tuner in there. Close enough to F. So now what we're gonna do, guys, is just add a bit of release to this, and then to this. And then we're just lower. Let's mono this. It sounds better on mono. And then with release, you gotta play with both of them. And you can see it gives it that nice vibe. Now the cool thing with this is you can do a lot of things. Like for instance, you can hold down the note long, have a long release. So you can do a lot of, again, we're fucking the leads out, man. These homies are going to Harvard, to Princeton. Nah, you go to community college. So you get the idea here, guys. You know, I'm putting a little bit of fun on that, but that's how we get those cool little vibes. And honestly, each lead's gonna sound different in the way that it provides those vibes. Like this lead's gonna have something very similar to it, you know. Trap drop, trap drop! There we are, and now. So if I get rid of that, you can see. Now I'm not in key, but you get the idea with the effects, guys. So try it out on any that you have. I promise it will make it interesting. You're kind of lowering standards a bit. Just kidding on that, guys. But it's a dope technique. Come on, you guys know what's up.
Alright guys, and that's going to be the end of the tutorial. Now you can tell your mom that you know how to make lacy leads, and hopefully she will support this career choice of yours. But if you guys want to follow me over at SImple Music on Instagram, guys, make sure to go over there. When you're taking a dump, you know, you can look at my pictures, my story. I don't mind, you know, I know what's up. So that's going to be the end of the video, guys. That's all I really have to say. evilsounds.com, you know where to go if you want to buy some sounds, support your boy, and I'll see you guys next time. You guys take care, and you guys have an amazing day, ninjas. Whoa.